Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 3035D four-wheel drive tractor. Tractor comes with a 300E front end loader. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. Super clean tractor. The 3035 is rated at 34 horsepower, so quite a bit of horsepower in a smaller package here. Again, does have the 300E loader. The bucket does have the John Deere style quick attach. Bucket's in nice shape as you would expect. Grill guard is on the tractor. Paint's in great shape. Has the R4 tires. This tractor does have the gear transmission. Has the foldable rollover bar. Complete 3-point hitch with drawbar and top link. And again, it has the gear transmission, which consists of high-low range here to the left of the seat. 4 gears on the larger lever over there, and then forward reverse right up here on the dash. Looks like it's got John Deere warranty running into 2028, so lots of warranty left on the machine. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.